What's up guys, David with True Dreams Fitness, and today's video is a review on some awesome activewear t-shirts from Fioboc. If you watched my channel before, you've seen me review their shirts in the past, and they've sent me 4 new shirts. Now these are all the same model, just 4 different colors. So this is their new Cool 2.0 V-neck hem slim fit. So that's kind of a mouthful, but this is their carbon, and man, I tell you what, I really like it. These are super soft. Man, they fit really good. Now, just to let you guys know, I am wearing a large. I'm not a large guy by any means. I am 576 pounds, about 5'7". So if that gives you any idea on my frame with this shirt and size. So it fits really good. I don't feel like it's too snug, but I'm always looking for a nice shirt that's, you know, stylish, I can wear out, wear to the gym, or just wear out and about, that, you know, kind of makes me feel like, you know, I've been to the gym. And I've got 3 other colors. I've got one we'll put right here. This is night red. Now, I'm not sure the color is right because it doesn't look red to me. I really do like the color. It looks like really deep, maybe maroonish, but they call it night red. So it's a really cool color, but that's the color, that's night red. I've got another one I'll put right here, that's sage green. And I really like that color for sure. Again, these are all the same. These are all the slim fit, the Cool 2.0s, V-neck, all that kind of stuff. So sage green is super awesome as well. And there's plenty of other colors on the website, and I'll have, of course, a link in the description, guys, for you to go check them out. And then I've got one more color, and that is black. Trying to think of the 4 ones I got. Yeah, black, night sky, or night red, sage green, and then carbon. Carbon seems to be my favorite. I don't know why. What do you guys think? It's like a deep, dark gray. But man, the fit is, you can see this. I think it fits really, really nice. I like that it's not super long, but you know, I can tuck it in. I can lay it out because it's got that hem tee, so it's got a little curve right here. So, you know, if you want to not tuck it in, just have it outside your shorts or your pants or whatever you're wearing. But I do think it looks very nice, and it's man, I mean, kill. I mean, super soft. So of course there's lots of, you know, awesome properties. You know, they're known for their fabrics. Their fabrics are super high quality. Now, this material is very antibacterial, odorless, absorbent, super soft. Man, they do use 3 types of materials to make their special material. And we have the Pima cotton, the Seronas fibers, and bamboo fibers. So I believe it's like 34% bamboo, Pima cotton, and then 32%, yeah, 32% Seronas fibers. So that makes it, give it special feel and texture, makes it so it's not, you spend a decent amount of money on a shirt and you don't want it to just shrink up or it's always looking wrinkled. You want it to look its best every single time you grab it off the hanger and go out throughout your day. If you've never heard of Fioboc, it's pretty much a biotech, fabric tech company. So they do a lot of research and design so people get a quality fabric that's going to look its best for the high performance type of person that's out and about in the great outdoors. Again, don't worry, I'm going to have some links down below for you guys to check out. I want you to check these out. I want you to let me know how they fit, or how you guys like them. I love the colors, super high quality materials. I don't think you guys can miss. The price just right, and we're all looking for a great product that's going to look good, last a while, and just not cost a fortune. So hope you guys check these out, because I'm telling you, you won't regret it and you'll love them. And of course, they have plenty of sizes from small to 5XL. So guys, we can find a good shirt for you guys. Add it to your wardrobe, you won't regret it. Now, who doesn't like a shirt that, you know, doesn't smell and is odorless, wears good, and is breathable? That'd be me, because I sweat a lot. So whether I'm working out or I'm in the yard or just outside, I like a nice, comfortable shirt that doesn't make me just look bad or smell bad. Let me know what you guys think, because I tell you what, I love this shirt, and I hope you guys do too, because it's a nice looking shirt. I'm always looking for a shirt that fits me nice. I can wear it anywhere. I feel comfortable in it. I don't feel like I can't move, or it's super hot and itchy, you know, no matter which weather I'm in. So this is definitely a great shirt I could wear to the gym if I wanted to, or if I want to just wear it out and about on a casual day, or just in the yard. So anyway, hope you guys liked the video. If you have any comments, questions, leave them in the section down below. I've got lots more videos coming out. Hope you do try these shirts, because I tell you what, you won't regret it, because they are a great looking shirt, as you can see, and comes in some super awesome colors. So until next time, guys, see you on the next one.